Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warrior LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warrior LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this.
We are not dog, you know. I pay human beings live here and good people that are grandstand. People might think they're grandstand and I don't know way. But we live good. Even if I say we there kill one that we live good. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir. Brothers and sisters. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us and about us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and create a good platform. You don't see. So, you don't know, to eat who much is given, much is expected. You know, see a lot of time we might not get it right over here, so but we keep trying same way. See, in a recent time, we say a whole heap of public figure come out and like openly discriminate or discredit, misrepresent the cause and how people truly feel on the ground. You know what I say? But make we stick with. Me see a video come out Rasta with somebody will look like Queen Ifrica. I'm not sure if I she. So I'm gonna want to play the video with the item. In the picture, in the video, the woman no Locs. When I hear she identify herself, but she look dead stamp like Queen Ifrica without Locs. You see what I say? So we'll share the video with the item and then we all are reasoning after. Give thanks. You know, we don't know, we still don't know how to examine that. You see, because, you see, the thing about it now is that the heights of consciousness for Queen Ifrica did project throughout I'm an experience. And then now, if you see, she gone, to the level there, like some shanty business or some tall up business. She out for project at this point. Me not understand the switch, the big contrasting switch. It kind of concerning. See, because if you watch them thing that amongst the two another, and you have some good thing go around where affect mankind where, it not no borderline and no boundaries. You see what I say, and it not no class. And it's a thing when name sickness. See, so yeah, we don't know what go on there, so, but you know, it's a concerning look, to say the least, to keep it decent. You know, see, it would be consciously make a decision like that. Me not telling her, like, me personally feel betrayed. Because, again, like I said, the projection was far more substantial than somebody where I just climb down off of that platform and just go way down there, so when you don't have no need to go down there, so and somebody where have money and have influence and know what them mean to a nation. You see it? You know, runaway slave will laugh when them see that one. The bunny are gonna laugh. You see, but I don't know what go on this, so I am not really put this on a grade. You see, cause that don't look right. That look way down, dirty. Queen Ifrica a millionaire and she not stop make money. She still a make money. Even if she not a millionaire, she have a change and she make a little change. Same way, she comfortable. You see, with that, like me say, them things that not stop illness, mental illness, or them sort of thing that I'm not justify or discriminate against somebody. Same way. You see, what I'm gonna do, I open up many areas or aspect or reasons why certain things might have transpired or certain, you know what I say? Yeah, so, yeah, cause in a black consciousness is a higher REMs and a higher transmission frequency to pick up and grasp certain things. You see it? And then now when you grasp certain things, it's hard for you to let go and go back down where it there. Unless you never know where you know all along, like somebody you did not listen to and I repeat it. Because really and truly the things that were true Rastafari, I say, for them soul are things where mean, are things where I aspire to. You see? So really, and when I talk about the shedding of the locks, you know, anybody can do that. That is just an identity. That's another human, that's another soul. You see, but me I say you shed the locks and you pink out your ear and you go and bend down, tick-tock and a whine. Like, you know what I say? You could have easy, you know, you could have have a, you know, see no transition period from coming from a Rasta woman, seeing Queen Ifrica to down a Queen Ishana or Angel. You see, it look like, you know, you have to open our OnlyFans page soon and all them sort of thing there. You don't know, I look like a desk of the money there these days. You see it, along with a whole heap of other thing what we see. And destroy the fabric of our culture. We're very rich, vibrant culture. We brought a lot of these people to publicity. You see, to public recognition and them sort of thing. And these very same people come back in at the end now with a very discrediting, being a discrediting element. You see, to the thing without even showing back certain respect. You know, it's like you wonder what go on and for them, no. Cause really and truly, no matter how things go, if you all go so book now, you know, and say, I dance all I do it and I wine and go down and them sort of something there and them little thing there. What happens is the people them over there, so I look by you now like an imposter, you know, as an imposter, you know, really a fake way I do over here, so when you did alright and all them little thing there. You know, see it? So it hard now, it's like hard, cause again, I just the game, you know. If you trust, say you really genuinely mean, if I even church you left out and start walk with people go road and go dance and them thing there. It's like them not have that 100% creditation there to you. Them not add that to you for, you know, in any case, know the code and all them sort of things so them can depend on you and turn them back. No, them all have you as a outcast, same way like a them are going to teach you the road now and them type of sort of thing there. You know, see? And the people them where you did them amongst though they might still love you and things like that, not really, 100% confident, more. Again, you damage them confidence and trust. I just saw it go naturally. So it's like, really, at least for a while, you're going to be a wayward soul type of thing. Whereas now you're big man stage now, because that's another undeniable aspect of the whole thing where, make the whole thing seems ridiculous even more and more. We're not ridicule nobody. Excuse me. Excuse our language. But the whole thing look more concerning than anything else, more and more, because at the end of the day, like me I say, when you reach them empathy in your life, Rasta, you know me I say, you're cultured, and you're most educated. You know, see, you're apex. You know, see, you don't really want, you don't have no time for you get distracted by nothing, by no newness, nothing new that can impress you again. You know, see, so all of these things we have to factor in the equation with how that look. Because, again, yeah, we know, say, the seduction out there, but again, with all of that, that never affect the balance of things all the while when the struggle was on. What? Rastafari did, economically sufficient enough. So that's a one could have did easy and balance, and now you get dry in at the seduction. And now there is an extra effort and influence and subsidy in the corruption, whereby it's more seductive than anything else that's even Queen Ifrica get dry. Well, we have to look on the other side of the case. All the catalogue are going to work now with the image. You know, see it, that's the thing there. Probably, like me I said, this whole thing might be a Photoshop imagery and them sort of thing there. But again, it could have all, who could have do that? I could have who do that? And what kind of projection that? What kind of shocking projection that on John Public type of thing? You have to, observe all of these things. All of these things are the reality these days. It happens over and over. The various, see it. But one of the most, concerning thing now is the fact that, well then, I don't think this image match the catalogue of the Queen of Ifrica where the world know and come to expect. I don't know what go on this in Rasta. Queen of Ifrica did have nothing all that. This coming like it kinda. No. Like a weird type of reality type thing. You know what I say? I don't know what that. I don't know what that go on this a while ago. I don't know what that go on this a while ago. You see it? I don't know what that go on this a while ago. I hope so. I really don't know what that go on a while ago in a Rasta. Seriously. You see? You can't, people, Rasta youth, Rasta woman and man, trim off them locks every day. See? But here what happen? Not immediately after you see them trim it off, you see them a pork shop and eat piece of pork. And that may I say. Not immediately after that. If them even not do it, them a hide and do it. Them not come out brawling and show people say, boy, at this I do it now and at this, why am I couple locks? Them know say, even in them still consciousness, them know say, the locks, the whole imagery did kind of a part of the embodiment of a strong culture, substantial culture, see? And for them just, step away like that without any rational, you know, it will look problematic, concerning. You know, see, and immediately it's like, yeah, rebel against the whole Fabrica thing because, again, you know, the Empress them are the Queen them not really give off certain projection. You know, see it. You know, certain things them know if you keep that amongst them private. You can't get. So, you know, so right, no, yo, something not right, you know. Something not right, that's a Rasta. Something not normal. Like a more like a whole lot of other things that go on our island, Jamaica, you know. You see it. Anyway, you know, we have to just watch the development. And I give thanks. Rastafari.